Today I'm sharing these delicious raw carrot cake bites made with wholesome ingredients like fresh carrots, walnuts, dates, coconut, and warm spices. Plus they are topped with a creamy cashew frosting that tastes amazing. Let's get started. Ingredients: 2½ cups shredded carrots, 1/2 cups raw walnuts, 1 cup of Medjool dates pitted, 1 cup unsweetened shredded coconut, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. In a food processor, blend together the walnuts and dates into a uniform crumb. It should stick together when pressed between your fingers. Add carrots, coconut spice, and salt and blend it again, scraping down the sides as needed until the carrots are fully incorporated. Press the cake into the prepared pan, smooth over the top, and place in the freezer while making the cream cheese frosting. For the cashew cream frosting, you need 1 cup of raw cashews soaked in water overnight, 1/4 cup of water, 1/2 cup of raisins. I'm using golden raisins soaked overnight or for 1 hour, 1/3 cup of coconut oil melted, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, juice of half lemon, and a pinch of salt. Combine all the ingredients in a high-powered blender and blend until silky and smooth. Pour the mixture into a pan. I'm using a silicone mini loaf pan for easy removal. Freeze for about 2 hours or until firm. Once set, the carrot cake bites are ready to serve. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.